Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. So today I am making a quick Valentine's Day card using my Simon Says stamp kit from January. And here are all the lovelies that you get with it. I did get some embossing powder and glitter. This lovely stamp set, a lovely stamp and some patterned papers. It's so pretty. So I'm going to be using this to make my card, and I'm also going to be using from Tonic Studio the December kit, the heart die. So the very first thing that I did was cut one of the pieces of cardstock that came in the kit in half, and I'm taking this lovely stamp from the kit, and I'm going to be using just embossing ink from Simon Says Stamp and the embossing powder that I got in the kit. I just wanted to see how it worked, opposed to Versamark and Ranger, and I think it worked just fine. So there I'm, heat emboss it. And then I took some of the Nuvo ink, again from another kit, and I just put it around on that clear embossing to kind of make the heart show up and just to give the card a little bit more color there. And if you know me, you know I like to have a little white showing. My blending is not the best, and I do that, believe that or not, on purpose a lot of times because I like the look of that. So because this is a hybrid, I thought, well, this be kind of like the Distress Oxide inks. So I decided I was going to spritz it to find out. So I spritzed it and I dried it with a hair dryer, not to reactivate the embossing powder, and I think it turned out really soft, pretty. So I cut out the heart with the die, and here I'm just deciding what am I going to use, and I decided I will use this paper with the band on it, right, and just make a band because I wanted it, simple and just pretty and easy. So I cut the band out to fit the card base, and I will ink the sides with distressed ink, and I also use that around the heart as well, the black soot. And I'm just using Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to put this down instead of tape. It was just right there, just again easy. I'm trying to use things, my supplies. So now I want to put a sentiment on the heart, so I used some vellum, and I'm using SSS jet black ink because it is vellum. I just wanted to make sure that it was going to stick on there really well. And I used the other part of that die to cut the heart out of that. And I will again use Deluxe Nuvo adhesive to adhere that to the heart. Isn't that so pretty? It's so cute. So I will put a foam square on the back of the heart and put it kind of catty-cornered. You know how I like to go a little crooked. And then I'm using some Nuvo Drop pearls. They look like pearls when they dry on the corners there. And once I let that dry, I should have waited, but I get excited and I get ahead of myself sometimes. So now I want to put a sentiment inside the card. So again, I'm using the same embossing, the embossing ink, and I'm going to be using some just old, it's shabby chic pink to put on the sentiment. So I think it turned out really cute. It's really fast, so I love it. And I hope y'all love it too. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching so much, y'all. Bye.